Assigning an adaptive assessment to a class.
To assign an assignment, click on the icon for Assign Adaptive Assessment on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here you'll be able to choose which classes you want to assign a test to. Do this by selecting the names of the classes. Next, decide which students to assign the test to. All students in the class is the default. Selected students allows you to select specific students using checkboxes. Elective means that all students will get the test, but they can choose whether to take it or not. Selecting the Notify Students checkboxes will send an email to their account on the addition or deletion of the test. Next, select the test you want to assign to the classes. You can only assign one test at a time. Once you select a test, you'll be asked to name the assignment. Choose a unique title for the assignment. This should reflect the topic, the class, and the date. This will allow you to easily identify the test when you're looking at reports. Now select when you want the test to be due and when it will be available. Fixed date creates a precise start time. We don't recommend using this. Duration is for a fixed time period after the start time. No due date is recommended and keeps the test open. Immediately assigns the test to the students now and puts a card on their dashboards. Fixed date allows you to set a date and time when it will appear on the students' dashboards. To assign the test, select Save in the bottom right corner. If you selected Notify Students when assignment is added, they'll now receive an email. If you wish to edit an assignment after it has been assigned, click on the card for the adaptive assessment on your dashboard. Here you will be able to edit the details of the assignment. To end an assignment, use the three dots menu on the assignment card and select Delete.